Hi there. If you are using the traditional look of Chrome tabs, then you might also like this sleek look of Google Chrome. All the tabs will be at the left side. And you can also hide the bigger scale to left. So, let's learn how to do it. On Chrome, type Chrome:2/, flags. Enter. Type vertical. Come to vertical tabs. Make it enabled. Finally relaunch it. Open the tabs you need. Right-click on the top. Show tabs vertically, and we just need to do it once. Done. Now you see, all the tabs you have is in the left side of the browser. You can simply hide the panel. Again, if you need to go back to normal mode, simply come here and disable it. And relaunch Chrome Simple. Hope you liked it. Please be with us and also subscribe to Inspire. Goodbye.